Creating sequences in Apollo.io is an effective way to automate your outreach while maintaining a personalized approach. Here's how to set up a sequence. Log into Apollo.io. Go to Apollo.io and sign into your account. Navigate to the Sequences tab. On the dashboard, find and click the Sequences tab in the navigation menu. Start a new sequence. Click the Create Sequence button. You'll be prompted to give your sequence a name that reflects its purpose. Define your steps. Add steps to your sequence. For example, Step 1. Send an initial email. Step 2. Schedule a follow-up email if there's no reply. Step 3. Optionally include a call step, directing your sales team to make a phone call. Set time delays between steps for optimal timing. Add recipients. Upload or select leads from your Apollo.io database to include in the sequence. Use segmentation to target specific groups. Customize content. Craft engaging messages tailored to your audience, using Apollo.io's templates or creating custom emails. Launch and monitor. Review the sequence, then activate it. Use Apollo.io's analytics to track open rates, clicks, and responses, refining your approach as needed.